Today I'm trying a vintage recipe for mayonnaise. I don't know about you, but I feel like in the last several years, the way that people cook their scrambled eggs has become controversial. It seems like every celebrity chef, every foodie has come up with this new method or a specific way to cook them, and that is the way. That is the best way. Anything outside of that is wrong and bad. Now, me personally, I think it's all very subjective. It's according to your taste. I like mine kind of like scrambled medium. I salt them when they're almost done. I cook them in butter. That's just the way I like to do it. I recently posted a poll asking, what would you like to see for me and my channel this year? Many of you voted for vintage ads. When I first saw this vintage ad for Mayoneggs, I thought, oh, that's weird. But then I sat with it for a little bit. It's not so weird. If you really think about it, you put mayonnaise in deviled eggs, you put mayonnaise in egg salad. And if you break down mayonnaise, it is oil, vinegar, and it is eggs. I don't know. I'm really curious and interested to see how these turn out. According to the ad, eggs taste lighter and smoother with Hellmann's. It's real mayonnaise, so fresh and delicate. It gives scrambled eggs a subtle new flavor, a creamy new texture. And real mayonnaise is the other name for Hellmann's. Okay, it's the other name for Hellmann's. It's breakfast time, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna get going on these mayonnaise. So it all starts with 2 eggs. One tablespoon of Hellmann's real mayonnaise, the other name for Hellmann's. Scrape that all into there. Have you tried making your scrambled eggs this way before? I'm super curious. Pepper and a little salt. Mix it all together. Okay, that mayonnaise is looking a little lumpy, I'm not gonna lie. You should get out an actual whisk for this. Tiny whisk, we'll try that first. I'm not really sure if the mayonnaise is supposed to like fully incorporate. I don't know that I'm gonna get much better than that. There's just like little mayonnaise lumps in there. And I think that's the way it has to be. Okay, it says to melt 2 teaspoons of margarine in a pan. I'm eyeballing it and I'm using butter. I don't have any margarine. I'm gonna do this over low heat and start my toast as well. I'm having toast with this. That seems like pretty nicely melted. The eggs are going in. I'm gonna try to do this for the camera. Yeah, okay, they're lumpy. I like to make my scrambled eggs with a silicone spatula. It gets the pan nice and clean. It scrapes everything up really nicely. And I especially like the ones here by GIR, and that stands for Get It Right. I have this linked in the description down below because I use it for almost everything. Now we're cooking. I kind of like to, I don't know if this is absolutely correct. Is there anything that's really absolutely correct in cooking? But I like to let my eggs kind of cook on the edges, and then I scrape the cooked parts to the middle, and then I tip the pan to get the uncooked parts sort of to the edges. Wow, this mayonnaise really is not like incorporating at all. I think they're just about the way I like them. Oh, there's my toast. Eggs and toast is just like one of my favorite breakfasts. Okay, this is about right for me. They got a little gloss to them yet. They're not super dry. Now I'm ready to give these mayonnaise a taste. These are the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, not man-eggs. Smell like eggs. They definitely have like a little bit of a vinegary smell to them. I can tell you that. Well, first I was gonna say these don't taste that different, but like the end note of the taste is a little different. It's not bad at all. It's pretty good. There's just like a little, kind of like a little richness at the end, but otherwise I don't really notice the mayonnaise. Will I make them again? Maybe, I don't know. They don't taste that different from the regular scrambled eggs that I make on an almost daily basis. But I'm glad I tried this. You know, I thought it was gonna be weird at first, but it definitely wasn't. If you love recipes from vintage ads like I do, I have an entire playlist and I will link it in the description down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see what else I'm up to, you can visit me on Instagram or check me out on Facebook. Links to both of those are in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.